Hi guys, welcome to my new video. And in this video, I will show you the newly updated Google Keyboard app. Approximately 2 days ago, Google announced that it will roll out a new update for its keyboard consisting of a lot of new features. Some features from Samsung devices, some features from Xperia devices will be available in stock keyboard app. After announcement, Google started rolling out that update in phases via Play Store. But it may take couple of days or week to reach that update notification via Play Store on your device. So you will either wait to get that update, or you can use the link provided in the description of APK Mirror to download the latest version of Google Keyboard. But before downloading, please verify your phone's architecture. Either is it ARM or ARM64, because if you download the APK of wrong architecture, then it may not be installed on your device. So let's keep all those things aside, because you people are clever, you know what to do. Let's check out what new features are there in Google Keyboard. Okay guys, if you are using Google Keyboard for first time, then you will get this kind of new user interface. Learned words from your contacts and messages and other things. Emojis and number pad. Yeah, this is a new feature that from this update, only two themes will be available in Google Keyboard, that is Material Light and Material Dark. Holo White and Holo Blue themes are completely removed from this update, so you will need to select either any one theme. Languages, it's normal option. Preferences, theme Material Light or Material Dark. The new feature is show keyboarder. If you have seen the keyboard of Samsung J series or the latest Samsung devices running Android Lollipop, then they are consisting of a new keyboard with keyboarders like this. This will make your keyboard look like a Samsung keyboard. In this feature, each key has its separate border. The new thing which is added in this update is when you will hold send or search button, you will get access to one-handed mode, like left-handed mode and right-handed mode. You can also go for emojis. These emojis are from Android Marshmallow, but some new emojis like robot face and skull and cross are newly added in this update. The next feature is one-handed mode. This feature can be seen mainly seen in Sony Xperia devices. Lot of people were using those modern APKs on their Android devices to use that feature, but now they can use the latest Google Keyboard to experience that feature. Either you can transfer it as left-handed and right-handed mode. The newly improved feature is the number pad. You will get a specific number pad because it was a very difficult task while saving a mobile number on the website by using Google Keyboard, because there was some chances of typing a wrong symbol instead of number if your fingers are very fatty. So Google made a separate number pad in this update, and separate key for emojis. And the new feature is either you can delete your word by pressing backspace time to time, you can hold it, and as this keyboard works on gesture based typing, the gesture control is here. You can use gestures to type words, and if you want to delete a word, just tap and swipe from the backspace button like this, and your word will be deleted like this. It's deleted. It's a new feature which is introduced in this update. And last new feature is keyboard height. Keyboard height normal, tall, a very tall height keyboard will look like this. uh, no, it's not necessary. Tall, mid short and short. If you want keyboard in very short size, then it will look like this. And these are some newly added features in Google keyboard. And there are some under hood changes, like vibrating option is moved from advanced to preferences. In advanced, you can now show app icon in Google Now launcher. You can download personal directory, you can sync words. It was available from last update. Then gesture typing, here you can enable or disable gesture delete word, gesture cursor control, text correction, suggest name contacts, double tap. And these are some things which are newly introduced in this update. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. And I'm extremely sorry for small size of this video, because I am now using YouTube game screen recorder to record these videos, because the sound quality which is recorded in this app is much better than using any third party screen recorder.